We are going to build the simplest user interface using React. We are going to create two components, a question area to grab the question from the user, and an answer area to display the answer from the API. Let's create a React app with npm create Vite at latest. Project name is React Fetch, for example. React, JavaScript, well done, no. Install no. cd React Fetch. npm install. And let's do npm run dev directly in Visual Studio Code. With code space dot. View terminal. npm run dev. Let's get rid of all this. We only want two components, question area and answer area. Let's create a components folder for them. And let's create the two components there. Question area JSX and answer area JSX. Very normal boilerplate components. Let's import the two components. Let's check it out. Let's use a form with an input and a button to get the question from the user. Let's implement the onSubmit event. With the handleSubmitQuestion function. Import useState to create a question state variable to hold the question. And let's use it with this command pattern in the input element. Value question and change set question target value. Let's console log the question. Hello. So far, so good. Now we want these user variables for the fetch. Answer to hold the answer, loading to display when it is loading, and error for if there is an error. And let's insert the fetch here with the URL of our API and our question in the prompt field. Check if response is okay. And set our answer field with the return data. And catch error. Let's better place our answer area component here. With the answer loading and error props. Display when it is loading or if there is an error. and the answer, which comes in the but field. Here it is. E prevents default. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. That's what we wanted. We can deploy it to Vercel. npm install globally Vercel. I have already installed it, so I don't need it again. Vercel login. I am already logged in, so I don't need it. And Vercel --prod to deploy it for the first time. Setup, yes. Scope, link to an existing project, no. Your project name, we can write whatever we want. Let's say React, Fetch, Simple API, Consumption, GAP. Directory is the current directory. Modify the settings now. Additional settings now. It is deployed. What's the capital of Colombia? Get answer. The capital of Colombia is Bogota. It is working fine.